Now I know we caught Albert recently in what was the first snowflakes of the year. Well, now it's really snowing. I was feeling a little annoyed that I was out here doing barn chores, getting some bedding ready for him because it's been cold, and it was already dark out. And it's funny, I actually heard the first drop, flake, drop, what am I talking about, of snow hit my hand as I was working. It was like a crumble noise almost. Caught me off guard. And had a real quick reminder. Winter is a little annoying because of the time change. It's miserable and dark out sometimes, but boy, is the snow pretty. If you've never really been in a place where it snows, you can hear it, and the snow actually insulates the noise, which is pretty cool. Everybody always says it's quieter when it's snowing. It's totally true. I'm talking over it because there's a plane going over, so you'll definitely not be able to hear the snow right now. As soon as that's done, I'm going to shut the heck up and let you enjoy the snow coming down. That plane's pretty loud. Let's take a walk out. Everybody's eating. I just let them into their feed pavilion here. And Teddy finished his food. You can see my shadow. The main part of the light here is the the light on their barn. Hey guys, how we doing? It's snowing now. Hey, Miss Molly. Oh boy, everybody's dry. Still eating Jen's hay. If you ever wondered why you get allergies from hay and other things, that's why. Believe it or not, that is not snow. That is just dust from them pulling the hay out. I'm allergic, so that's why you can hear that noise I'm making. This is really good hay too. It's not even dry. When they talk about dusty hay, that's why you got to be really careful. It fills up their lungs. They get really sick quick. Oh, Teddy, you were out in the snow. And Ivan, you were out in the snow too, huh, buddy? The little baby's getting a little bit on their butt here as it's blowing in. Miss Lulu. Albert, is your butt sticking out? No, you still got lots of coverage. A couple flakes blowing in. We're definitely a lot fuller than we ever planned on being. But the good news, oh, that wasn't Lulu over there, that was Becky. Sorry, Lulu. I guess I don't even know who's who anymore. It shouldn't surprise me at all that she's over here sheltered. She does not like to be wet or anything. Anyway, like I was saying, we've got a lot more animals right now than we ever planned on. But the good news is that they, well, number one, they protect each other, and number two, they can huddle better for warmth, which is really good. Hi, Molly. You wait for me to pet you, pretty girl. Oh, you're so cute. Yeah. Good baby. It's Monday, and this hay should last us until, hi babe, okay, until Wednesday morning. You pretty girl. Yeah, I know I'm blinding you with this light. So, anyway, let's venture back out. Got the chicken coop, I don't know if you can see it, all decked out for Christmas already. Chicken and goose house up there with lights on it. We've got some for the barn, we'll have to get those on too. We'll walk over toward their barn here. And you can still hear that plane. Yeah, so these are probably the biggest flakes we've gotten so far. For those who don't know, we're in upstate New York. Really technically mid-state. New York's a pretty long state. Got New York City at the bottom and Rouse's Point at the top, and we're kind of in between there. Hopefully you're not getting vertigo from all these cool snowflakes. You can see them collect pretty quick. Big fluffy ones. Anyway, hope that you're having a good week. It's cold enough you can see my breast in front of the camera. There it is again. Have a good week.